complex world. Today we're going to talk about sharing time. A stereotype thinking prevails that teens spend time holed up in their rooms or hanging around with friends. Yes, that's true. Adolescents don't want parents to pry, but they definitely want them to engage with them, spend time with them, help them clear confusions, shape their views of the world. But the harsh reality is that in today's complex world, both parents caught up in work often find time less and less for their children. So let's talk to the experts how to manage.
મારા પેરેન્ટ્સ બહુ બિઝી હોય છે એના માટે હું બહુ ટાઈમ સ્પેન્ડ નથી કરતો એમના જોડે એના માટે હું મારા રૂમમાં એકલો હોઉં છું.
You can feel his heart-wrenching, sad loneliness.
We have to accept the fact that with more and more women entering the workforce, family life is totally changing in today's modern world, often resulting in parents being unable to give adequate time to their children, in addition to their having social commitments. Vandita, what are the adverse implications this can have on the growing adolescent and how?
Some of the adverse effects that are seen in children when parents do not give them time are: 1. Breakdown in family bonds and communication. Why? Because the children are not able to share their feelings, talk to the parents and know what they want, what they do not want. So that is why the children start feeling stressed out, and emotional distress is also one of the impact that is seen on adolescents when parents do not give them time. When these emotions all pent up in the child, it leads to more of attention problems and concentration problems, where the child is not able to sit and study in a proper manner and grasp the knowledge that he or she is supposed to do, which leads to a lower academic performance. So now, because of these three things, the child not spending time, adequate time I would say, with their parents, leads to the children's more inclined towards the peer group. Now when the child becomes more inclined towards the peer group, he or she forgets what's right, what is wrong, and just follows them. So it could lead to some of the risky behaviors, or it could lead to antisocial behaviors. Risky behaviors could be where the child is getting inclined towards more of drug abuse or alcohol, tobacco, smoking, porn watching, teenage pregnancies.
Traditionally, mothers were homemakers, there to greet the children when they returned home from school each day. Mera bacha aa gaya. But that picture has dramatically changed with both parents working full-time. Keeping that in mind, Vandita, can you give any tips to working parents on how to enjoy a closer family relationship?
Every problem has a solution. So here we've got you some tips where the parents can spend quality time with their children. The first one is being present. It could be physically or digitally. Digitally presence is more convenient. Why? Because the parents can give their children a call whenever they want. It could be just taking out 5 minutes in a day and calling and asking how their day is going. It could be asking them about their needs. So the child feels more comfortable that yes, the parent is trying to listen to them and is trying to understand them. Secondly, being physically present is where I would say it is very important for the parents to have at least one meal in the day with the child, where they are sitting together, enjoying the food and even talking about everything and anything they want, where the child starts to feel more comfortable, I would say, because the child can share and they can trust that the parents are always going to be there. The third thing which is very important is where the parents are involving the child in household activities. It could be you guys are baking a cake, which is obviously going to be fun, and as we said in Gujarati, maja maro, where the children are going to share, are going to talk, and you guys are going to exchange more of your perspectives. So when the perspectives exchange, the child understands you better, the child trusts you better, and these are just the three very simple tips where the parents should follow to create a better bond and communication with each other.
Parents must realize the value of sharing time with children, especially in the adolescent years. It has important implications for the child's psychological and social adjustment. Children not only feel valued by their parents, but more positive about themselves. It strengthens family bonds, improves communication. All our earlier episodes, stress has been on open communication with the child so that they feel comfortable coming to the parents and sharing everything with them. reducing the risk of getting involved in risky behavior. Family time means you can have fun and enjoy each other's company. Maja maro. If you find this talk interesting, like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time.